Welcome back to Me and You. This is Costco Keep or Return, where we find cool stuff, test it out, and decide, is it worth it or if it's going back for a return. Doom scrolling Costco online and somehow ended up with this in my cart. The Maisto Jeep Overlander RC car for $59.99, originally $79.99, so already a solid deal. This could be an online only item because we have not seen it in stores. First impressions, this thing looks like it's ready for a full-on overland trip. Only thing, wish it was a Toyota, just for that reliability. 4 miles per hour max speed, 4-wheel drive off-road, rechargeable 3 hours charge time. It's got a functional winch, camping tent really opens, and duck. There's that duck. If you know, you know. The details are just amazing on this thing. It even has like a ladder for you to climb up. Look at pop up, all the attachments. Now let's get to the unboxing. This thing comes fully loaded. Traction boards, high lift jack, gas cans, shovel, and yes, even ducks. Please demonstrate the winch. Okay, pull it out. The detail is actually pretty crazy. Even the mirrors, the side view mirrors are like nice quality mirrors. Like I could see the reflection. Yeah, look at the suspension. It's curious.
Yeah.
It's like turn it on. The light is on. Up. And close the door. There's a light to tell you that it's turned on. This button here is for your light bar. We need to light up the trails. All right, let's see what this can do. It handles light off-roading pretty well. Goes 4 miles per hour, so not too fast, but fast enough. Let's be real, this isn't for racing, it's just for cruising and all those memorable Jeep moments. The kids had so much fun playing with it on and off the road. It also doubles as a pretend play piece for the kids. Honestly, the girls love it even without driving it. Kids could play with like little dolls. So, keep or return? That is the question. For us, this is gonna be a keep.
Keep.
I guess that settles it. For $59.99, it's a great solid deal. The boxes alone were worth it. Thanks for watching. All the information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for more videos. See you in the next one.